Typo3 is one of the easiest to use content management systems, and that makes it an ideal pairing with Canto. Let's learn about the integration that exists between the two and how you can set it up. First, let's install the Canto extension. I'll jump to Extensions in the Typo3 admin panel, and let's change this option at the top to Get Extensions. Now, let's go ahead and search for Canto in this box. Click on the Install button, and Typo3 will go to work installing it. So now, we need to jump over to the settings, and then click on Configure Extensions. This is a one-time setup. You need to choose on this dropdown what type of Canto setup that you have. Canto Global is typically right for our users in Europe, while Canto.com is for US-based users. Now, let's jump over to a page where we have some content and want to insert an image from our Canto library. Let's go ahead and insert new content, and then choose Images. Now we'll switch to the Image tab. The first time, I need to go ahead and click on Connect Canto. Let's go ahead and log in with our credentials here so that we can connect up to our Canto library. We need to allow this access here to keep moving. Now you can see a robust browser to look through the files in our Canto library and grab them. You can see on the left side the structure of your Canto instance with folders and albums that make it easy to browse. Let's go ahead and choose a file and go ahead and insert it. That's it. You can see the content inserted in the CMS now. It's really a breeze to connect the two together and insert files from your Canto library. Typo3 and Canto make a great pairing. Make sure to set up this integration if you're a user of both tools. Thanks for watching.